So how do analytics and marketing platforms try to overcome the use of cookies? Because cookies are being blocked more and more. So GA4 is marketed as privacy focused and is meant to function without cookies as much as it is to function with cookies. GA4 can cover data gaps as the world begins to grow less reliant on cookies by utilizing machine learning and statistical modeling. Browsers will do things to restrict third-party cookies. You can configure GA4 to depend on first-party cookies, though, by transitioning to server-side tracking. In doing this, you're establishing that first-party cookie, which is more dependable and has a longer lifespan than third-party cookies. And the Facebook solution, which is Facebook's conversion API or CAPI, that besides cookie, it relies on user data. With the help of those parameters you send together with the events that happen on Facebook, Facebook will match events to users in their database. And as a result, you'll get more reliable data. When you focus on utilizing server-side data, you're then removing yourself from the information that is just in Facebook. And so now you're not just counting on what's in Facebook, but you're counting on real, live, true information about that user based upon other things that they are doing, which again is going to improve conversions and reduce cost per conversion.